Does your house allow you to age in place for the rest of your life? My name is Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage, and I want to help you live better in retirement. A lot of my clients love the home that they live in. It's where they raise their families. It's where all of their friends are. They want to stay there for the rest of their lives, but they recognize that the home may not fit their needs as they get older and older. And so that's why reverse mortgages are helping a lot of people. It's allowing them to eliminate their monthly mortgage payment. They continue paying taxes and insurance, as I mentioned before. But the nice thing is that by eliminating those expenses, it frees up cash on a monthly basis. Likewise, it allows them to access a portion of their equity to make the improvements in the home that they need. And so if they need to install a ramp for the home for easier accessibility, maybe a new tower or a shower or tub, maybe they want to widen the doors for wheelchair accessibility. All of these things are very expensive. But if you have a reverse mortgage in place, you're able to compensate and you're able to make those improvements so that you can keep this home for the rest of your life. And the nice thing about that is that the improvements you make add to the value of the home itself. And so you get to keep your home, you get to make it the home that you need it to be, and you continue to hand off to your family an asset that will benefit them after you've passed away. And so if you want to look at this as an option to enjoy your retirement more fully, give me a call at 435-359-9000.